mag-brows muna ako ngayon. And, again, yung ginagamit kong pang eyebrow is yung sa LA Girl. I'm going very light-handed sa aking brows.
Alright. Take $100, turn it into pillars. You don't wanna bother the man with the timbers. Papers thrown in jar, turn them into ashes.
And then sa other brow,
you don't wanna bother, smoke a little more. I hope that boy keeps fed, trusting all his soul and losing all his head. Rusty as it shows, he gonna break his legs. Standing toe to toe with a brand new nemesis. My thoughts up in the twist like the spliff you inhaled. I ain't missed this, a lift off till we land in here.
ayan, medyo makapal na siya tignan. Pero syempre, lilinisin pa naman natin yan ng concealer, kaya carry lang. And then blend it with a spoolie, as usual. So after niya, hindi ko muna siya isiset. Muna ako. Lilinisin ko muna siya with a concealer.
I can't resist really any of them bags on it. Cupid keep telling me to crash on it. Ain't a lie, sleepy eye, no disguise. I'm feeling fly, I'm on my mind most of the time. Don't you rip the tags off. I'ma die here buried in a glass coffin. Friday night, I'm the man who they trash talking.
I'm gonna set. Kasi ayokong nagmi-mix ang aking eyeshadow with a wet concealer. Siya maganda tignan. Eyebrow gel pa pala. So, ito yung eyebrow gel na gagamitin ko. This is in dark brown. This is to lighten yung brows. So, I love my brows naman na. It's dark. See? Then, again, with a spoolie na walang product, yung ginagamit ko kanina, iba-brush ko ulit siya to brush off the excess brow gels. Ayan. Now, we can proceed sa mismong eye. I will be using my 35B and my Jaclyn Hill palette for this look. And itong orange shade, yung unang color na gagamitin ko. And lalagay ko siya sa aking crease as my transition shade.
Take $100, I turn it into pillars. You don't wanna bother the man with the timbers. Papers thrown in jar, turn it into ashes. You don't wanna bother.
Ayan, na-blend ko na yung orange shade sa mata ko. And I make sure na umaabot dito yung color kasi ang weird tingnan pag hindi umaabot dyan eh. After nyan, magpo-proceed ako sa Jaclyn Hill palette. And nandito na halos lahat ng warm shades. Paulit-ulit ko na lang sila ginagamit. Pero ito yung gagamitin ko. This color for my dito sa my eye socket. Yan yung gagamitin ko. So I'm just using this pointed brush. Mas maliit dun sa kanina kong ginamit. And dun ko siya mismo ilalagay sa mismong crease.
Smoke a little more. Smoke a little more.
And then going back with the first brush na ginamit ko. I-blend ko lang sila together. Ito na yung gagamitin ko. It's another brush. And then, itong color na to, which is much more darker. And then, lalagay ko ulit siya sa ilalim na itong kakalagay ko lang na color.
Smoke a little more.
I'm gonna get a parang pencil brush. Parang bullet siya. And then, magdidip ako sa black. Yung black dito sa ito. Sa Jaclyn Hill palette. And ipapat ko siya dito sa my outer corner and sa inner corner since I'm achieving a halo eye look.
Smoke a little more.
So, I'm really just concentrating the black color dito sa outer corner at first.
Smoke a little more.
Yan. Now that I have that, papatungan ko siya ng brown, which is ito, dark chocolate brown. Dun banda sa may, dito, sa gitna. Para hindi masyadong parang biglang naging black yung color, diba? So, papatungan ko siya dyan. And then, using yung kabilang brush, i-blend ko siya.
I know the skies, I'm feeling fly. I'm on my mind most of the time. Don't you rip the tags off. I'ma die here buried in a glass coffin. Friday night, I'm the man who they trash talk.
I'm gonna get a smaller brush. Ganito. So, mas maliit siya sa kanina. And then, i-dip ko siya sa black. Tapos, sa inner corners naman.
Take $100, I turn it into pillars. You don't wanna bother the man with the timbers. Papers thrown in jar.
Yan. And then, I'm leaving a lid space dito sa gitna. And then, yung brush kanina, i-dip ko sa dark brown. And then, i-blend ko dun sa may inner corner.
Turn it into ash. You don't wanna bother. Smoke a little more. Smoke a little more.
And then, after nyan, syempre, sparkly dapat yun nasa gitna. So, kukuha ko ng maliit na brush. And then, i-dip ko siya dito sa gold na to. Now, medyo rough pa siya tignan. Of course. I'm gonna get a pencil brush again. And i-dip ko siya dun sa dark brown kanina. And then, saka ko siya papatungan yung gold dito sa may ano. So, kung saan nagmi-meet yung brown and yung black and then yung gold, dun ko ilalagay yung dark brown to create yung transition between them. Ayan. Ito. Again, yung glitter na lagi kong ginagamit. Papatungan ko lang yung taas ng gold. Papatungan ko lang siya na very, very slight. And after nyan, syempre yung taas, which is the brow bone area. Ito yung gagamitin ko. This one. And I already did my other eye. So, yeah. So, magpo-proceed na ako sa face makeup. Mag-color correct ako. And, syempre, this is from Detail. I will be using my Matte and Poreless in shade 128. Maputi siya sa unang lagay, pero nag-oxidize kasi to.
Take $100, turn it into pillars.
Ayan. Ganyan talaga ako maglagay ng foundation. And then, saka ko siya i-blend with a sponge.
You don't wanna bother the man with the timbers. Papers thrown in jars, turn them into ashes. You don't want.
Hindi na ako mag-build up. Ay, nakalimutan ko mag-primer. Okay lang. Ano nang pupuntahan? Naalisin ko lang din naman to. Nag-film lang talaga ako, diba? Ganon talaga siya.
Smoke a little more. I hope that boy keeps fed, trusting all his soul and losing all his head. Rusty as a show.
Medyo trahidor. Okay naman, kamuli naman niya ang aking leeg. Oh, after niyan, concealer, syempre. Again, Maybelline Fit Me. What's new?
He gonna break his legs, standing toe to toe with a brand new nemesis. My thoughts are.
Now I'm going to get my Nichido. Bus na to. And then I will set my under eyes. Magsiset na ako ng buong face. And I'm gonna use a big brush. Tapos itong Wet n Wild pressed powder. Photo Focus pressed powder in the shade Tan Beige. So, yan. Yan sa gitna. Yan. Magbo-bronze na ako. So, yung bronzer na gagamitin ko is from Shawill. Itong 002.
In the twist like the spliff you inhaled. I ain't missed this, a lift off till we land in here. Can't resist really any of them bags on it. Cupid keep telling me to crash on it. Ain't a lie, sleepy eye, no disguise. I'm feeling fly.
Kukontour na ako ng nose. And siguro yung cheekbone. Ko lang. Pero ito yung gagamitin ko from Shawill. And then itong brush na medyo, ayan, flat, pero ganyan. Hindi ko alam yung tawag sa ganyan.
My most of the time, don't you rip the tags off. I'ma die here buried in a glass coffin. Friday.
Or masyado siyang mababa. Or talagang yung pisngi ko lang yun. Wala. Girl, di ko alam. Wait lang. Okay naman siya. At parang ang baba dito. Anyways, i-bake ko na lang siya. Para naman, di ba?
At night, I'm the man who they trash talking. Take $100, I turn it into pillars. You don't wanna bother the man with the timbers. Papers thrown in jar.
Yan. Hindi ko pa na-contour yung nose ko. So, kailangan ko siyang i-contour. This brush, fluffy brush.
Turn it into ash. You don't wanna bother. Smoke a little more. Smoke a little more.
And then, i-bake ko siya sa gitna to further highlight the center of the nose. For my under eyes, again, ito yung gagamitin ko ulit. This pencil brush. And then, kukunin ko yung dark brown, which is this one. Itong dark brown na yan.
smoke a little more.
I-blend ko siya with this kind of brush. And then, kukunin ko yung ito. Yan. Kukunin ko siya, tapos ilalagay ko siya dun sa ilalim para hindi lang straight up brown yung nasa ilalim ng mata ko.
In the twist like the spliff you inhaled, I ain't missed this, a lift off till we land in here. Can't resist really any of them bags on it. Cupid keep telling me to crash on it. Ain't a lie, sleepy.
Yan. Tapos, syempre yung inner corner, yung sa mata, inner corner highlight. So, yung kukunin ko is this, ito. Yan. That's done. See, it's very easy. So, after nyan, I will do my mascara. Lower lash line liner.
I know the skies, I'm feeling fly. I'm on my mind most of the time. Don't you rip the
Falsies are now on. After blush, I'm just gonna use this Pinkies Collections blush, shade Salmon. So, mag-highlighter na ako, and this is the Wet n Wild Golden Flower Crown.
tags off? I'ma die here buried in a glass coffin. Friday night, I'm the man who they trash talking. Take $100, I turned it into pillars.
I'm not gonna do lip liner na kasi natamad na ako mag-lip liner.
I turned it into pillars. You don't wanna bother the man with the timbers. Paper, stone, and jar. Turn it into ash. You don't wanna bother. Smoke a little more. Smoke a little more.
So this is the what I call easy smoky eye. So, yan. If I'm going to do a smoky eye, definitely ganito yung gagawin ko. So, I hope you guys like this video, or this look, or this tutorial. And I will see you again on my next one.